Okay, it's been a few hours that I've been at it. You can see on this side I stapled 100% aluminum mesh. Okay, and then here was where I put a bunch of layers. So the seams, there's no gaps. I still have to do the bottom. And you see this part I gotta do right here and the ends. But you see in here, first I'll show you right here. You see it pulses up into the amber 0.3 volts per meter. Now, let's go in here. Look at that. This is the first time I've ever seen it flash down to green like that. And I'm not even done. Look at that. I still gotta do both ends. So the floor, and you see the seams right here, all the way up. Used aluminum tape and the nickel copper tape for the seam. And I'm going to put another piece of wood right here on both sides to hold this up better. But you can see by doing this, you will definitely be able to sleep better once you build this thing, I'm sure. You see it's grounded over there, so no static electricity. So I still got, I'd say, tomorrow to finish it up. The floor part, I just went through 18 feet of this mesh between the window and between the walls here and this piece.